In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on your Ford Focus. This will be located on the side of the intake. Let's get started. Using a 6mm socket, loosen the clamp on the intake. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the intake box. These will stay inside of the box as you loosen them. Push the boot off and pull the box straight up. You'll pull it off of one grommet in the back of the box. Remove it from the car. Unlock the safety tab for the mass airflow sensor connector. Push straight back on the red tab. Push on the front of the connector. You'll pinch a little tab and then pull straight out, remove the connector. Using a T20 bit, we're going to remove the 2 bolts for the airflow sensor. Our second bolt is going to be located on the bottom. Remove both screws. Remove the mass airflow sensor. Install the new mass airflow sensor. I'm going to get both of my bolts started. Included with your MAF sensor is going to be 2 screws and a TX20 bit. We're going to use this bit to tighten down the supplied screws. You can either use a 1/4 inch driver or you can use a 1/4 inch wrench. Snug down the screws. Install the connector onto the sensor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push back. Make sure it's locked on. Close the locking tab. Install the intake box. Get the intake boot on it. Push down in the back. Be sure it's seated in the grommet. Use the 8mm socket and tighten down the 2 bolts. Using our 6mm socket, we'll tighten down the clamp.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.